What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing something amazing for you. I'm going to be unboxing live the world's first NFT hardware wallet. It is the Nifty. You can see it here looking all sexy. All right, I'm going to unbox this for you, show you exactly what it does and how it works. Let's get straight in. Right, guys, here we go. Let's unbox this live. Let me just cut this open. Okay, you can see it's not been unwrapped yet, so I haven't used it. But I'm getting excited. All right, getting to store my NFTs on something like this is incredible. All right, guys, so when you open it up inside, you get started page. Okay, where it actually takes you through a little checklist like this, if you can see there. Okay, so let me get this out, open it up. And this is what it looks like. The Nifty. Looks cool, right? Let me know in the comments if you like it. I thought it was going to be a bit bigger, but it's looking nice and small, nice and cute. All right, let's see if it's got any battery. Let's try and turn it on. Welcome page loading up. Okay, then we're going to choose English. And it says, welcome, secure your NFTs here. So, setting up the device. Okay, so we have to download the app. I'm going to fast forward and download that right now. So all you got to do is scan the QR code, guys, and it's going to take you straight to the download the app page, okay? Once it takes you there, start downloading it from the App Store or the Google Store, and then we can get on with this. Okay, what it's asking me to do next is set up a pin. All right, so I'm going to create my own pin. I'm not going to show you. It asks me to confirm it. Success. All right, and we move to the next step. So, create a new wallet or restore from an existing wallet. So we're going to create a new, click that plus button. It's asking for the generate seed. Now, if you go back into the box, you're going to find this little envelope, right? This is probably going to have, yes it does, the aluminium seed phrase on it. I'm going to set that up right now. All right, it's pretty hard, guys, like metal. So you click next step and it starts to read out the words. Okay, I'm going to copy these words. Right, guys, I've written it down. Now I'm going to go next on there. Okay, it asks me to put in what order the words are in and to confirm it. So I'm going to do that quickly now and fast forward. If you put them in right, it takes you straight through. So you've got my favorite, receive, and settings. So guys, that's how you set it up. Super, super easy. And now you can just load up your NFTs. All right, I want to just take you to the website so you can actually see a little bit of what's going on here. So this is what it looks like. Maybe on my camera it didn't look this pretty, but you have your NFTs on there. I've still got to load mine up. Obviously, I've just unboxed this live for you. Okay, it's got the EAL 5+ certified secure chips, it's got clear view signing and dynamic keypad protection. I admit it was really easy to click it in, and one of the most impressive features was the seed phrase. You just click the right one at the time. You don't have to scroll or anything. Super, super easy. Big buttons so everyone can see. Okay, it's true ownership on device viewing and confirmation. Obviously, you get your NFT straight on there. Super cool. Easy access to NFT marketplaces and DeFi for buying and trading. You can manage all your cryptos on there. And it looks good. It's easy. You can have it in your pocket. That's the main thing. It's super, super simple and compact. It's not just me saying it, guys. It's actually won awards at the EPDA and the Golden Pin. You can see here, right? It's collecting awards everywhere. It's doing really good. And you can buy one of these to actually engrave your secure pad right in your seed phrase, all right? It's probably the best option to do it. Just knock them in. It can never be changed then. I love this, guys. It's super, super easy. Link it up with things like Lukimon, all right? The world's first I2E invoice to earn NFT launch, okay? This is why so much hype is going. This is why I have this right now and I'm doing it for you. It's good to actually show you that I am using this product, all right? I'm not just trying to sell it. I get no benefit from it. It's just because I want you to have the most secure way of keeping your NFTs. Another partnership on here, High Table Tea House. You must have heard of them. Okay, special edition of partnership. Just shows how incredible traction this company is getting. Now, guys, the best part about this is you are going to get 15% off. If this is what you want, if you are looking, thinking, George, this looks incredible. I think it's incredible. You are going to get 15% off if you click that link down below right now. How amazing is that? You can see at the top, you're also going to earn a 6% rebate with Crypto.com. Going through, these links are non-stop giving, all right? 15% off. The discount link is down below. Let us know in the comments if you take it. Why are we not already getting it, guys? Let's go. Let's get one. So guys, that's it. If you are interested in getting one of these, like I said, that link down below is going to get you 15% off, all right? I'm super excited about it. I get to store all my NFTs on here. Why not be safe? And there's a reason I wanted to unbox it live for you today. And that's because I want you to know that I'm actually using the things that we're promoting here. This isn't just for views. This is because this works. So hit that link down below, 15% off. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. I will see you on the next video.